Hi guys, how you guys doing today? Today's video is going to be me showing you my makeup collection. I'm gonna go through my drawers and show you what I have. So this is my vanity. Here's where I do my makeup every single day. The table is from IKEA. The mirror is from Impressions Vanity. The seat under the table is from Marshalls. And yeah, let me walk you through what I have on top of my vanity right now. How you guys doing? So here I have my brushes, small mirror. I have the Morphe and Jaclyn Hill palettes, meaning the bowl collection. Then I have here Q-tips, two Fenty Beauty lipsticks, my perfume. Then let me just get a seat so I could sit and open the drawers for you guys. I have my everyday makeup, so I don't have to go through all of this and gather stuff to do my makeup. Here is what I need to do my face makeup every day. So here I have like foundations and primers that I'm not using at the moment. I have here face toner, setting spray, translucent powder, concealer that I'm not really using much anymore. Then I have my moisturizer and eye cream. Moisturizer here first. The eye cream is Laura Mercier concealer, Plum concealer. Then I have this Kylie concealer, CoverGirl concealer, that is the one color it will match. Milani concealer. Then this MAC concealer that I should put here the concealer instead because I'm not wearing this concealer as much. These are the ones that I have that I don't really use. I don't even use them. I just have them there because I don't want to throw them. I have here the KKW concealer, this Kat Von D concealer powder. I'm gonna put it here. Then I have the KKW powder. This one is like I would say setting powder. And then I have the baking powder by KKW. I really like her stuff. I have here this Urban Decay foundation, my everyday foundation. Then my two favorite concealer at the moment, my primer, the e.l.f. poreless primer, this milk hydro primer, my toners. I put it here. I have these two toners that goes here. This primer is good too. With the KKW powder here instead, and put this Kat Von D powder over here. Setting spray I have here in this end. Like I say, I already destroy favorite setting spray. This one, Milani Make It Last primer. Absolutely love it. That's the first drawer. Then the second drawer, my vanity is falling apart. So my second drawer here, I have blushes, highlights, liquid highlights, brow product, mascara, liquid eyeliner. Yeah. This is the second drawer. Then in the third drawer, I have what is my contour sticks. I have bronzers, contour palette. Back there I have more highlight palettes. I have this body highlight, and then I have blushes palette and contour, bronzer, more highlight. Then the fourth one here, I have palettes that are not really eyeshadow palettes that I'm really not using anymore, or that are just palettes that I didn't know where to put them anymore. So I have the Naked collection back there. I have Huda Beauty palettes. Then I have the Too Faced. I have here the Morphe and Jacqueline Hills, and Morphe and James Charles palettes. The last drawer here are my sunglasses, my prescription glasses, my contacts, my contact solution, and color contacts. And when I move to the second side, then here I have glitter eyeshadow primer, lashes, tweezers, Huda Beauty palette. Then I have my collection, my amazing collection of Anastasia Beverly Hills eyeshadow palettes that I adore. Then we go to the second. Here I have some palettes that I got when I was subscribed to BoxyCharm. And then these are the ones that I bought myself. This was gifted to me. Then I have the KKW and Mario. Then I have Kylie's Cosmetics. Then when we go to the third, I have here my colorful palettes. I also have here my lip liner, lip gloss. I have this lip gloss here because it don't fit on where I have my lipsticks. So I have my lip liner here, the sharpener, my lip balm. Then I have a lip mask back there. Then the four is where all my lipsticks are. I'm a lipstick hoarder. These are all my lipsticks. I didn't really show you each of them individually because there are too many, and I organized this a month ago and I kept them organized. But here I have the majority of brands like Anastasia Beverly Hills, Dose of Color, Jeffree Star, Kat Von D, MAC Cosmetics, Morphe. I have a lot of lipsticks because I love lipsticks. Then the last portion of it is just my hair products, what I used to do my hair. Oh, and also makeup wipe. So yeah, you guys, this is what my makeup collection consists of. And in no shape or form I'm trying to brag. It's just showing you guys what I have and where I sit to do my makeup every day. And I hope you love and like this video because I took my time to actually go through everything, cleaning and making sure it's nice and neat for you guys. And at the end of the video, don't forget to subscribe and follow so you can see more videos of me, and see you in the next one. Bye.